Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, we're back. The oil throw cover, the 3 5mm by 35 hex head nailed bolts that hold it in. I have Loctite 243, which is safe to use with oil. It was still set with that. So I will go ahead and I'll fit that first. And then I've got some gasket cleaner to go around and clean all the gasket surfaces, ready to reassemble everything after I've done this. So I've got a torque wrench. It is set to 6 Newton meters according to the book, 4mm hex head. Some people say there is a difference between wet and dry thread tightness, so I'm just going to be a bit careful what I'm doing. It's brand new, but I think it's a bit thick because it's quite cold outside. Okay, it had gone a little bit thick inside. I've given a good shake, and I'm going to be liberal with the amount I use. And number 2. Number 3. I don't know what the weather's like where you are, but it's been hailing, freezing cold, pouring with rain, squally, windy all day. My fingers are cold. It is the middle of winter, but I think today's the 2nd of July. Okay, now I'll just see how we go with these. I'm going to turn this down to lower. So I don't want to overdo it. So I might go down to the lowest one first and then work my way up just to make sure I'm getting it right. So that is 2. That is 4. Feels tighter than what I'd like, but considering this is plastic,
Well,
but
the evenings are cool. I pull out the wrenches and my drill driver. A heavy steel frame.
is that why it fell out?
Tank painted silver. The prettiest thumper with a sound that's killer. Finest 500 that I've ever seen. 41 on the tour, 27 on the horse. She's a thumping, reliant ironclad force. Oh, grease on the knuckles and oil on the floor. The sound of the spindle just begs for the road. A wrench and a rag taking care of the beast. Here in the shed, my troubles have ceased. Just me
I'm going to put this down to 3
and what must
and see if we've got there.
under the halo of the evening sun.
So I don't know if that will show, but 2, and that's on the 0. 2.2, 2.4. And when that comes to 3,
I check
locked in.
and I'm wiping the mud. That single pot motor is pumping my blood. 3 liters to the 100. She takes it so slow through the Adelaide hills where the eucalyptus blows. The spring mounted saddle, the fender's so wide. I'm tuning her up for tomorrow's long ride. Oh, grease on the knuckles and oil on the floor. The sound of a single just begs for the road. A wrench and a rag taking care of the beast. Here in the shed, my troubles have ceased. Just me and my classic doing what must be done under the halo of the evening sun.
It's 3. Let's make it 3.4 and see where that goes.
Some look for the speed of this old bush road is all that I need. Made like a gun, stand clear on the crest. She's got that old rhythm that puts me to rest. We've ridden for
That's at 4.
and we'll ride 'em again through the good times and bad, through the sunshine and rain. So kick her on over, let the neutral light shine. That wrist may be vital, it's nothing but fine. Drop it in first.
4.6.
Highway unfold, another good story that's never been told. Just me and my Enfield.
feels like it's getting tighter now, so that's reading better. So that is now 5. It's funny, but 5 went off straight away. So I'll go to 5.6. And 6 is the setting. And the check. Okay, happy with that. Next I'll get the cleaning fluid and clean off all the gasket that's left on there.